Outdoor speakers allow you to host a party even in open spaces without sacrificing on quality and portability. There are numerous models in the market, and these are the best among them. The fourth-placed Atrium Series speakers feature anodized aluminum tweeter domes with rubber surrounds that are absolutely immune to the elements, providing a smooth, broad, high-end range that you need for large outdoor spaces. The newly designed tweeter phase cap smooths the frequency response from 12 kHz up to 20 kHz, the last audible octave. A more steeply angled baffle design that maximizes critical mid and high frequency dispersion over a large area. There's a speed lock mounting system for easy, safe, one-handed installations, even in difficult locations. It also exceeds baseline industrial and military specifications for environmental endurance. The third spot is taken by the Dual Electronics LU43PB. These 4-inch three-way speakers can be used in an indoor or outdoor setting without compromising sound integrity. These speakers are carefully crafted, providing you with 100 watts of peak power. They have made sure that the naturally amplified sound from the 4-inch woofer, 1-inch mid-range polypropylene cone, and 3/4-inch tweeter produce amazing sound. They can be installed on the wall or ceiling with a 120-degree range of motion, or in a vertical or horizontal placement with a 90-degree range of motion for accurate, high-fidelity sound where you want it. These are coated with a UV-resistant resin and placed inside an ABS enclosure, protecting it from the elements. Check out the video description below for further information and links to buy today's featured products. The second speaker in the list is the Tribeit Xound Go. It has simplistic curves that are designed to fit perfectly in the palm of your hand. A full charging lets your music loose for up to 24 hours. The speaker is enhanced with two 6-watt stereo drivers and delivers fully immersive sound with a stunning, rich bass, tight mids, and crystal clear highs. Exactly the way the artists intended for you. It is IPX7 waterproof, meaning you can listen effectively in any environment. Perfect for the shower, by the pool, or beach, even if you're playing in the rain. It comes with Bluetooth 4.2 technology, which allows it to connect to your device in the wink of an eye over an impressive 66-foot range. There's also a built-in microphone that makes it easy to handle hands-free calls, Siri, and Google Now. And the best outdoor speaker in the market is the Anker Soundcore 2. It delivers 12 watts of pure audio power with enhanced bass from dual neodymium drivers. An advanced digital signal processor ensures pounding bass and zero distortion at any volume. Anker's exclusive bass-up technology and a patented spiral bass port boost low-end frequencies to make the beats hit even harder. It provides IPX5 protection that safeguards against rain, dust, snow, and spills. Get incredible sound at home, in the yard, or anywhere else imaginable. The combination of Anker's world-renowned power management technology and a 5200 mAh lithium-ion battery deliver a full day of sublime sound. Take a moment to hit the like button and share this video. To get notified on all of our new video uploads in the future, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.